In this video, I will show you how to insert circle shape in Microsoft Word. So click on this Insert tab and here Shapes and select this oval. Now press and hold Shift key and draw circle. Once you double click on circle, so here the shape format. You can change color, style. You can add text once double click on it. You can change shape outline. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.